Hello, my beautiful friends. So I did a little challenge for myself because I like challenges. As you know, if you've watched the channel, I am not very arts and craftsy. I'm a musician, perhaps a little theatrical, but arts and crafts are really not my thing. But because I get these boxes and somebody had a craft in it, I've kind of gone with a little bit of junk journaling, which like I have a journal that I write in. I'm a writer, so that I like the writing. But I think after I'm done writing my journal, I then turn to my little junk journal that I've been working on, and I do some sort of visual representation of whatever I was writing about. So this is it. This is not an arts and crafts channel because I am not arts and craftsy, but this is the one that I made for in bulk. So it brings meaning to me and joy, and I actually do really enjoy doing it. So I went on Temu because Temu's all the rage, and I had previously gotten some stuff from Wish. I never liked their stuff. Number one, like their clothing just never fits. Like I'm a well-fed girl, so that's probably why. But their extra large is like a tiny, tiny small. So anyway, I don't buy clothes. I don't buy jewelry from Temu or Wish. But I wanted to see how much stuff I could get for 25 bucks that related to my junk journaling that I could use because I don't really have any of these supplies in my house. So I needed to get some stickers and stuff. So this is everything that I got for $25. There is one extra thing in here. I got myself a little scarf. This is not included in the $25. And I don't know, it looks pretty good. It was like $1. And I'm not a big scarf wearer. I think it was called a shawl. Sorry for the noisy packaging. Oh, it's soft. I don't know if this is a shawl. It's a scarf. In my book, it's a scarf. So, we shall wear the scarf. All right, so here are the things that I got for under 25 bucks. So the first thing I got was just some paper, and it has some twine, and I don't remember how much all these things were, because altogether they were less than 25. So everything was like $1. I didn't buy anything that was more than $5. So it's just some paper. This is washi tape. I never even knew there was a thing called washi tape. Shows you how arts and crafty I am. Excuse me. So this is a bunch of just plain colored washi tape. I don't know if you can see it. And I want to say it was like $2. Everything was like $2. So, and I'll definitely use that. And I like the thinner kind because I'm not great at arts and crafts, so I pretty much use these as borders. And the thicker stuff is a little harder to work with. I have more washi tape. You can see it comes really well packaged. Sometimes the Temu bags come a little beat up, but that's because, everything comes from China, so, they in transit. So that was pretty cute. I think this one was like 98 cents or so. But, let's see. What are they like? That's how much you get on it. So, not a lot, but, definitely a better bargain than, say, like the dollar store. All right, I got a little pink thing. This was a few bucks, $2 or $3. This is like a little storage cabinet, and I got it to put little stickers in because right now I have everything in a Ziploc bag. So I'm going to put that, and this is for my new office that I'm currently building to do arts and craftsy things in it. Oh, and then I got a different collection. So this is a notes collection series. There are, I have no idea how many, 100 notes in here. So this is just like the stuff that you stick in a junk journal, like the stickers and the little things that you get. Here's some color paper, some note paper in different colors, which is very cool because I like to write, what it is I'm trying to artistically showcase. This is more washi tape. It's like Christmas every day in this bag. I have no idea what this is. These are cards of some sort. It's been a while since I bought this stuff, so I have no idea. So, I mean, I got a lot for 25 bucks so far. I mean, and everything is in good shape. I have no idea what this is, though. I forgot what I bought. Oh, these are different little cards. And these look like this. So they're sort of botanical. I go with botanical, butterflies, things like that. English garden. Pink is my favorite color. Pink. Let's see, more tags. This is nice. This gives me choices then when I'm working on my journal. Like right now I have like 4 different like little stickers, so I really don't have many choices. Still have more in here. This is, oh, these are envelopes. So there's black, tan, and brown, because, you know, in junk journals you can have little envelopes with little things in them. So those are little envelopes. These are more envelopes. Those were brown, black, and tan, and these are white, black, and tan. So we have that, and we have, oh, I found this little treasure chest. It was like 38 cents. I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to put in it, but it was really cute. So maybe crystals will go in it. I don't know. Who knows? These are just sticker dots, which you cannot see because of the lighting. They're just brown, and that's just a way to hold things on to, you know, just little things where you can write words or whatnot. Still going. We have still more stuff. More little pictures. These are on my way. This is travel related, because if you know me, you know I do a lot of traveling. More washi tape. So I have washi tape in kind of all the different colors, plain colors, which I like. Oh, these are more of the, these are butterfly cards. I'll open those up. Check those bad boys out. So we have, let's see, purple. So like little butterfly cards. Those are super pretty. They're really, really cute. All right, what else do we have in here? We have another little box. Oh, this is like a little book of little sayings and stuff. I mean, they really do package your stuff a lot better than Wish does. I will say that. Oh, these are a little book that has different, you know, little backgrounds on it. So that's super cute. Super cute. And remember, this is all of this was under 25 bucks, including, oh no, I'm not including the scarves. I think that, nope, here we go. Another little pack of, this one is just a duplicate of the flowers, because I thought I would like both of them. So I think that is everything. So you get all this stuff. So I'm going to count the number of things that we got. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 18. So for I got 18 things for 25 bucks, and that's a good deal. I couldn't do that at the dollar store, so I'm very, very happy. And everything is in. Everything looks nice. Nothing is damaged. Shipping is hit or miss. It just depends on, I think, what you have in your bag about how it goes through customs. So sometimes it can take a little bit longer, but eventually it gets to you. And they have a great return policy. I had gotten something that was bent, and they refunded me immediately, and then just told me to keep it. So I've been working with it, trying to get it to straighten out. So I am wishing you all the best in light, love. I recommend Temu. I think you know, it's great. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to get a discount and try it out yourself. So wishing you all the best in light, love. Be well. Bye-bye.